everybody. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My government name is Victavian Jackson, but I go by Jumpin' Jackson on social media. I was born in a little town called Long Beach, California. I have 2 sisters and I have 1 brother. I was raised by a single mom and grandparents. I come from a very, very, very religious family. I'm talking about 7 days of church. I love to travel. I've been to 42 countries and counting. Favorite place is Thailand. I love to exercise and to shop until you drop, honey. I love a good outfit. What's my purpose in life? My purpose in life is to help people break away from their mental hurdles through a form called jump therapy. Yes, jumping. I love to jump, which is why my stage name is Jumpin' Jackson. I started about a year ago in a city called Miami, Florida. We all love that. Initially, before trying, I told my friend no 3 times. No, no, and no. I was like, you want me to come to a class, jump, and have fun? Girl, please, I'm gonna fall on my ass. But let me tell you how wrong I really was. My first time getting into the boots to jump was a memory I never will forget. Never. My first 3 jumps was like a revelation from God. On my first jump, I was laughing nonstop, giggling, screaming, running in circles. I was so happy. It really pulled out the 6-year-old little boy I forgot about. You know, sometimes as adults, the issues in life disconnect us from the inner child happiness that, you know, at one point was so easy to accomplish. And as adults, it's harder. You know, it don't take a lot to really for you to be happy. You know, I've learned that, you know, happiness is not about your clothes, traveling, money, relationships. Your happiness is connected to the joy you felt as a kid inside, that most simple, authentic happiness. Most importantly, jumping has helped my confidence in my life, showed me how to step into the world as a gay Black man with a mission. My second jump, at that moment, I realized I want to be an instructor. I want to show the Bay Area how you can break away from mental struggles in your life by doing something as simple as jumping. And on my third jump, I realized my dream was much more bigger than I anticipated, much more bigger as an instructor. I realized at that moment I wanted to be the first American rebound fitness influencer. And I am, and I will. I am the first rebound fitness influencer. And in the next 5 years, I want those who have a heart to jump. Jump for mental freedom, jump for happiness, jump for love, for beauty, for mental clarity, for fitness, for spiritual health, and most importantly, jump for you. Come and jump into this wave that I'm starting in America. Jumping and jump movement in America. I want to jump all over the place. Everybody, have a wonderful day. And always remember that if you can't love yourself, how in the heck you gonna love anybody else? I love you guys. Bye now.